What is Arduino UNO? Arduino UNO is a popular open-source microcontroller board based on the 8MEGA328P. It is widely used in electronics projects and embedded systems due to its simplicity, USB programmability, and extensive support. Arduino UNO pin description. Digital pins, 0 to 13, used for digital I/O, high/low signals. PWM pins, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, provide pulse width modulation output. Analog pins, A0, A5, for reading analog voltages, 0, 5V. GND, ground, common ground for circuits. 5V and 3.3V pins power output to components. RF reference voltage for analog inputs. Reset resets the microcontroller. VIN input voltage when using external power, 7, 12V. TX, pin 1/RX, pin 0, serial communication, transmit/receive.